You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, Lucky Penny Shop fans, remember to subscribe and become a friend of the channel. Here's a very cool 1957 Webster's Encyclopedic Dictionary of the English Language. We should look up a few words on this, huh? It's in very good condition. It has all the tabs on the side. It looks like they are all complete. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. They're all there. The back side looks pretty good. I don't see anything on here that would say this thing has been abused. Now there is some, I don't know if you've ever seen this with pages, there's a little fraying on some of the pages. Looks like the overall condition is very good. Let's look at the inside of this. Pretty neat to see an old dictionary like this, encyclopedic dictionary. Now we are going to learn. And look who's there. The thinker. It says Webster's Encyclopedic Dictionary of the English Language. Copyright's on this page, so let's show you that. There it is. 1957. There's some color pictures in here as well too, so it's not just a black and white. There's some cool pictures of some dogs. There's these inserts in between different pages. And it is one thick book. There's some circus stuff. Here, I'll show you this page. Horses. Here's electricity. Go to this page. So it's pretty cool pictures in here. Has that cool vintage vibe to it. The pages are slightly yellowed. Let's see. So you're getting dictionary information as well as encyclopedic information. So you're gonna look up a word. Intricate. Intricate. Complicated, complex, entangled, elaborately interwoven. And then you're getting some encyclopedic information. What Labor Day is, the vision of labor. So that's a pretty neat little dictionary. And I say little, and you know what I'm trying to say. Giant? What did I really mean there? I don't know. But there you go. So it's a 1957 dictionary, and how many pages is this thing? Oh, look at the cute monkey. Look at the cute monkey. Chimpanzee. Sorry, a few experts out there. Okay, this is 4,798 sections. 99. 4,800 sections. Pretty cool. So that's it. That's a 57 Webster's Dictionary. Thanks for watching our eBay product video. And always remember, if you see a lucky penny, pick it up.